ACI948 here, and this video is sponsored by Saker. They sent me this grease gun coupler a while back, and I really liked it. So they went ahead and sent me this Cordless Buffer Polisher. It is a 12 volt, has a rotating speed of 2,500 to 5,000 RPM. Cordless Buffer Polisher. And we come to the back. The selling points: quality cordless polisher, well made. The motor's made of copper and has anti-jamming and low noise. So it's claiming to be fairly quiet. We'll see about that. DC 12 volt, 2,000 milliamp hours rechargeable battery. That's nice. It's chargeable. Easy installation. Handle installs easily. I don't know what handle they're speaking of. I mean, the only thing we have is the battery. So we'll look into that. 6 gears from 1 to 6, ideal for waxes, sealants, and glazes. Wireless rechargeable. That's not what you think it is. Wireless rechargeable, that just means it's a cordless tool. Normally you would think that you would have one of those little pads that you could just drop the battery onto. That would be cool. But I don't think you're going to get enough juice out of one of those to charge what these batteries hold. I could be wrong. I don't know. Does someone have that? That would be interesting if we could just leave all our batteries sitting on a tray, like, you know, big drill batteries. Anyway, so we're going to unbox this and go over everything it comes with in this video, because it is currently way too cold. I got this. I wanted to make a video on it, you know. It's way too cold right now. It's supposed to get down to like -7 tonight or so. I know that's not much. Compared to some people. There's one guy I'm talking to, and he's up in Canada, and he told me it was -55 up there. And I'm like, oh, that's cold. So we're going to go over what's inside this. They say for color polishing, stove cleaning, glass cleaning, wash the sink. I don't know that I ever would have thought to use a buffer on car polishing, yes, but these three I never really thought about. I guess I can see the glass cleaning, but I'm not going to wash my sink with it. And stove's awful. You got a lot of things to get around. I don't know. That's something to think about. So, I'm going to go ahead and take my trusty box cutter, the dull blade, open this up, if my gloves will allow me to. Satisfying, isn't it? All the bad noises. So what do we have here? This looks like a carry case for it. I'll probably end up putting all the buffer pads in that. We have a piece of 2000 grit sandpaper. We have a polishing pad that sadly has been kind of... This is the foam pad, it looks like. It looks like it's been a little bent up. I hope that'll straighten out. That's not ideal. What's next? We have another one that's just as wrinkled up. Hopefully the Velcro will hold that flush. We'll find out here in a minute. Our microfiber pad. Oh, it's just like Christmas. What's in the box? Our battery, which I was kind of hoping would have had the same style connector as a Milwaukee, but the battery shape and the form factor is very similar, but not quite. The connectors are 3 up high. Yeah, totally different. I was thinking the form factor was pretty close, but yeah, she's a little off. This here's actually a knockoff Milwaukee battery, but that's for another video. And what else? We have some foam in here. One more pad. They're all stowed away nicely. Definitely set up to be shipped. kind of a shame that the pads are a little messed up. We have another like microfiber style cloth here. Your charging cable. And in order to charge it, it looks like right here. You plug that in. I'm going to go charge this. We'll find out exactly how long we're supposed to charge it for a little later in the video. Let's have a look at the tool itself. Yeah. Looks nice. Got kind of a nice feel. You can get a good grip on it. Let's try putting one of the pads. Well, this was the first one we pulled out. So let's see if that Velcro there will hold this. We're doing this live, all one take. And keep it straight. Yeah, okay. So it doesn't matter if they're a little beat up. You get a little bit of orbital motion out of it. Well, mostly because we'll plug the battery in it. I'm not going to put it under load, so this shouldn't hurt it. If I can put the battery in the right way. Where's the connectors? There we go. Bring you back a little. We'll start it on a low setting. We'll kick it all the way down to 1. Oh, 1 is just... Oh, it does have a charge indicator. That's nice. There it is on 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5. And full speed, it's 5,000. Oh, well, I don't want to mess up my table, but... So, yeah. Got a little shake to it because I don't have that pad on there all the way straight. It doesn't seem to be a orbital. I mean, you kind of make it an orbital. Ooh, that holds on good. That's a plus. That's another thing I was hoping for. So, I don't know. It's got a little orbit to it. Yeah, it's got just a little bit of... It's got some orbital to it. Definitely need to get down the charger. Anytime I try doing something like this, I always hear about charge the battery first. Well, we're just doing a quick little test here. So, what are my initial thoughts? Yeah, honestly, it feels all right in the hand so far. I mean, I could see grabbing onto that and going, and you got a nice little thumb control. I don't hate it. I do look forward to using it. I will say that. I've got all these nice pads, and we do have what looks like a carry case. Let's check that out. I apologize. I was totally wrong. This here is actually an apron to wear. It's got a pocket in the front to help keep wax and everything from splattering up on your clothes. That goes around your neck. Decent size. At least come down to most people's, like right over your waist. Huh. I hadn't even thought about that. It's fairly thin material, but as a sacrificial barrier to keep you from getting wax on you. Definitely a neat idea. Is there anything else in the box we're missing? Ah. Of course. The instruction manual. Maybe that'll tell me how long it's supposed to charge for. No. I mean, it's specs. That's not annoying. Aha. Always pull out, connect battery charger. Charging time is about 4 hours. All right, so now we know 4 hours from a dead battery. And this here, you should be able to read, just in case you happen to lose your instructions. It wouldn't hurt to have this documented somewhere. I mean, yeah, it's fairly straightforward, but it does not hurt. So you can get extra batteries and switches via our service hotline. There's all their contact info. I will be leaving a link down below to where you can order this along with this grease coupler. If you're interested in that, I'll leave a link to the video I did on it and a link to buy it. So, initial thoughts, I do like it. It does seem very nice. I don't know. We'll see how well it does. I'm not sure if I'm going to try sanding with it. I kind of like hand sanding for polishing, but I could definitely see it coming in handy. But I kind of like taking a block or, you know, a sponge with sandpaper under it and kind of buff that way. But we'll see. We'll look into this. So let me know what you think of this. Thank you, Saker, for shipping this out and that out. And there'll be something else coming that will be a little, we'll have some fun with for sure. You already know what it is, anyone who's already been looking up Saker stuff. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Leave a sub, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this. Do you have one of these? That's always a great question. What do you think of it? So, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.